So we're the kind of people who have no shame in admitting that we eat Nutella straight from the jar.
I've never experienced Nutella this way, so I'm excited.
I heard something about some crepes, and I never had crepes before, and I want this to be my first.
I'm expecting it to be a lot of carbs, which I'm super excited about. But yeah, no, I'm expecting it to be kind of creative and different. Irene's been talking about this pie the entire time.
It just looks like it's squishy in the best way possible, and you just know it's gonna taste amazing.
Yep.
I was right.
Yep. 100% flaky, Nutella-y goodness is what's in here. This is great breakfast, actually.
It's a good breakfast, and it's not like doused in Nutella, so like again, it's just a good amount of it.
The cool thing about this is that you're getting Nutella, but in different textures. So you have Nutella in the gelato, and then you have like just straight up Nutella on the French toast too.
I don't know. See, I heard that there was a surprise in here, so I wonder if it's the Nutella. Once that custard flavor disappears, you have that like wave of chocolatey goodness just like coming right at you.
Yeah.
I really like it.
It confused me at first, but I do like it.
This is actually the one I'm most worried about, if I'm being honest
I've had
here.
like smoothie bowls and things. That's kind of what it looks like, but I don't know.
Okay, what concerns me is Nutella and chia seeds. I like them both separately. I don't know how they'll taste together, so I'm actually really nervous / excited to try this one.
Here, I'm gonna make you have some first.
Oh boy.
I don't want to have it until I know how it is. Yeah?
Hold on.
Is that good?
I really like this.
Safe for me to try now. Wow.
Right?
I think we've come to the conclusion that there is a clear winner here, and it was the create your own option that you came up with.
Yes, I just love that option because I think you're in full control of what you want. You can go a little crazy, you can go a little traditional, you take your pick on that, you add what you want on it. And I think that there's just no way you can be unhappy with creating your own crepe plate.